Hi guys, today is a continuation of Weebly. You have been working on your home page or About Me page. You also should have been creating a What is Creativity page and posting your paper. And as you finish those two, the next step is your SSR page, which is like it sounds. It is dedicated to your reading in the class. When you guys do your SSR page, most kids include these two things of information. They start off or they offer some of their favorite books and they use those as some review, books that they read in previous classes. I mean, like you could go back to middle school and talk about The Outsiders, or you could talk about some young adult lit that you enjoyed reading. And then the second thing is you do have to review the books that you read in this class. Either you're reading now or you have finished reading. Most of you guys are in the process of finishing your very first book. So what you'll want to do is do a review for that. When you do the reviews, you're going to create like little paragraphs of description. And you can offer an overview of the book, but beware spoilers. And also, I don't want a huge summary of the book because I can get that off of the web myself. Rather, I want to know what are your thoughts about the book. Like, what did you learn from it? What did you like? You could also frame it like our class, which is discuss the content and craft. What did you really learn from it in terms of what is creative writing? And then also a lot of kids will rate it. They'll use a rating system like 3 out of 4 stars or things like that, which can be a really nice way to frame it too. So I'm going to show you a couple examples. And then, like I said today, you want to start creating this page on your Weebly. So here's the first example. This one's really nice because it has some nice little intro elements. So this is Avery's. She has a little intro and she plays with voice, which is what the page is about. She gives some directions, and then she reviewed the Lord of the Rings trilogy, and then she has a little description about what she read. It's kind of cool because she actually linked up some things that she did with it. And then also she has the pictures cited. Well, that one's not working, but she does have it set up so that if you want to go to the picture, you should be able to. And that linking and how to link up should be on my How to Weebly video. Here's another one, everything, everything. So when I click it, unfortunately none of the links are working, but it has a picture of the book, and then she has a little description. This is kind of cool. She added a trailer, kind of a secondary feature because this movie just came out. Here's another book. She does say, and if you want a spoiler, so she acknowledges spoilers, but she does it in a playful way. Here's a couple other books she read, and she has a ton of stuff on here. And what will happen is you will have a whole bunch of books by the end of the semester. But right now, I'm hoping you'll have at least one. Here's another one. This is Peyton's. So Peyton started with his favorite books, and then he put a little description, and then if you notice, he did a rating system underneath each. And like you see here, it's not about huge summary. It's just little context paragraphs to go along with the books that you love and enjoy. He does have a currently reading, which is Hyperbole and a Half. It's kind of cool because he linked it up right here to Amazon. So that's a really nice feature. And remember, when you want to link it, I'm actually going to show it to you right now. You go to your Weebly, and when you find the picture of the book or whatever you want, what will happen is you'll want to copy paste the web link so that you can attach it to the picture. So here's my example. It's not the greatest one in the world. But what will happen is if I wanted to link this picture, I would click on it and I would go to link, and then I would go here and copy the link of the image and then paste it in here. So then that way it's linked up. And you can also do that with text too. You just highlight it and then you look for the chain, the little chain link or this word link to link it up. So that is SSR. Once again, today, start with your favorite books because we are still reading our first book. And then definitely start doing the review of the first book that you're working on right now for creative writing or that you have already finished. So good luck.